Hi everyone, welcome to my channel DIY Kurdish. In this video I want to show you how I made this plan for arranging my power tools. I got some power tools in my workshop but I didn't have any place for them. So I decided to make one. I came up with this design on SketchUp. I hope you like the video and subscribe my channel. I started with cutting two pieces for the base, which will be mounted to the wall later. For this cut I used my DIY table saw. I used pallet wood for this project. Then I used my meter saw to cut them to the final length, which was 102 centimeters. After cutting the bases, I cut 11 pieces for covering the wall. I cut one end first to get rid of the holes. Then I cut at the end for the final length. After cutting all the pieces, I used my hand plane for cleaning and straightening the edges. If you are still here, please subscribe my channel and like the video. It means a lot for me. Working with a sharp hand plane is always fun, and it is a good exercise as well. I cleaned the faces as well. This step will help me for the next one, which is sanding. It's only to get rid of the dirt and the saw marks. Before sanding them, I fill all nail and screw holes with a mixture of wood glue and sawdust. It is a good trick to hide these holes. After sanding, they almost disappeared. And here the sanding, the most time assuming step for any project. I sanded them all. I started with 18 grit up to 220. Now they are ready for assembling. I started with screwing two pieces to wall for the base. Here I screw the first one. And here the second one. I am assembling the first piece. I start from the bottom because it will be easier for leveling and spacing later. I screwed one end, leveled, then screw the other one. I used this piece for the space between them. It is 18 millimeters thick. I cut this part off with my jigsaw for my socket and switch. I made two arms for a shelf. Here I am screwing them to the wall. I made this little piece of camera for the track of my track saw. I think it's a perfect place for storing them. I made this for my track saw. I used plywood for this. I just screwed to the wall. And this box is for the cord because my track saw is corded. Here the shelf I screw to the arms. I will use it for storing the boxes of my power tools. This is for my electric hand planer. And this is for jigsaw. If you are still here, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell as well. It will help me a lot. And this is for the drills. Here I finished it. I am very happy with the result. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. Thank you for watching.